Top 5 Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs, without a job offer in 2025. Your easy path to permanent residency. Hello and welcome back to Canada Immigration Matters. Are you looking to immigrate to Canada without a job offer? By now, you would have heard that Canadian immigration is undergoing a series of policy changes, and things are not as they used to be. We will continue to make things easier to help you navigate the intricate Canadian immigration system. In this video, we will cover the eligibility requirements for PNPs in Ontario, Saskatchewan, Nova Scotia, Alberta, and Newfoundland and Labrador. Learn the step-by-step process for applying and how you can fast-track your way to Canadian permanent residency in 2025. In the end, you will discover the top 5 Provincial Nomination Programs, PNPs, that don't require employment. We will begin with a summary of the eligibility requirements in each of the provinces. 1. Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP. Capital Priority Stream. This pathway targets skilled workers in tech and healthcare sectors. It requires a strong human capital profile, including education and relevant experience. This pathway targets skilled workers in tech and healthcare sectors. It requires a strong human capital profile, including education and relevant experience. 2. Saskatchewan Immigration Nominee Program, SINP. Skilled worker. The SINP focuses on applicants with skills in the province's updated list of in-demand occupations. You can follow the link in the video description to check out their updated list of in-demand occupations. It requires a valid expression of interest, EOI, with competitive scoring. 3. Nova Scotia Nominee Program, NSNP. Labor Market Priorities, Stream. The NSNP is designed for candidates with skills in specific job markets identified by Nova Scotia. It requires qualifications and experience in the target industries. You can find more information on the provincial website using the link in the video description area. 4. Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, AAIP. The AAIP focuses on skilled workers who meet Alberta's economic development goals. Their priority is for individuals in high-demand occupations. Another unique point about this pathway is that it is open to skilled workers with ties to Alberta. In Alberta, family connection matters. If you have a family in Alberta, you can check on Alberta's provincial website using the link in the video description area for details about the high-demand occupations. 5. Newfoundland and Labrador Priorities Stream. This PNP pathway targets candidates with expertise in priority sectors essential to the province. It also requires educational and professional qualifications aligned with provincial needs. We have posted the link to their website in the video description area for you to explore fully what they have to offer. Now that you have seen the provinces and what they offer, here are the basic steps to apply for most of these PNPs. 1. Create a profile. Register on the provincial or federal immigration platform. 2. Identify eligible streams. Match your skills and background with the available PNP streams. 3. Submit expression of interest, EOI. Highlight your qualifications and intent to settle in the province. 4. Receive nomination letter. Await a nomination from the province. This provincial nomination gives you 500 points in the Comprehensive Ranking Score, CRS, and this makes it easier and faster to receive an invitation to apply for permanent residence. 5. Update your profile. Add your provincial nomination details to your Express Entry profile. 6. Apply to IRCC. Submit your application for permanent residency to Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. At this point, we will not forget to remind you that one of the essential requirements for all of these pathways is passing the language proficiency tests in either English or French. There is no escaping this for now, so make sure you start preparing for the test. As you all know, Canadian immigration has become very challenging and cumbersome. If you need assistance and you're ready to take the next step toward your Canadian dream, Chugo Immigration Services is here to help. Our team of experts will guide you through every step of the process, ensuring a smooth and successful application. Reach out to us quickly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on Canada immigration pathways. Thanks for watching.